Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome in my presentation relating murder. I chose a murder incident for my case. So my presentation topic is a criminological case study on a very talkative case on that time. That is Police Inspector Mahfuzur Rahman and his wife Shapna Rahman murder case, which is also known as Oishi Rahman case. So I am MD Moshur Rahman, 8th semester, Department of Law, AIUB. First of all, I want to give you an overview about my case. In this case, there is two victims named Police Inspector Mahfuzur Rahman and his wife Shapna Rahman. In the accused list, first is Oishi Rahman, who is the daughter of Police Inspector Mahfuzur Rahman and his wife Shapna Rahman, and Mizanur Rahman Johnny, who is Oishi's boyfriend, and Asaduzzaman Johnny, who is Oishi's friend. Here we have another accused in this list, who is the housekeeper of their house, who is Khadija Akhtar Shumi. The relation between the accused Oishi Rahman and the victims are parents and daughters. This murder was happened in 14th August 2013 at Chameli Bagh, Malibagh, Dhaka. So this is a short overview about my case. Now I go to my facts first. In these facts, we found that Oishi decided to kill her parents after they had taken away her mobile phones. They also kept her confined to house as they came to know about her bad company and drug use. On 13th August 2013, planned and made 2 cups of coffee for her parents, and she mixed a sleeping pill with coffee mug of her parents and gave coffee to her parents to for drink it. When they slept, then Oishi stripped her mother 11 times and 3 times strips her father by a knife. After killing his parents, she left the house with his brother and the housekeeper Shomi. Around 4 p.m. On Friday on that year, police found the dead body of this couples from their house. Then after 22 hours, Oishi surrendered herself in Romna Thana police stations. On the same day, another accused, Ronnie, Johnny and Khadija, both are arrested on the same day by police. For further query and investigation, the police branch demanded 5 days remands for query about this murder case. That is the short fact of this incident. From this fact and this whole story of this murder, I found some reasons for murder. The police inspector and his wife Shapna Rahman, was killed by their daughters. So I found some reasons for their murder. First reason is drug addiction. I know by researching that Oishi was engaged with his drug addicted friend, and she taking drugs regularly. That's why she is fully controlled by drug once at a time. And the second reason is taking away her mobile phone. Her parents are taking her mobile phone from her because she involved in very bad companies by connecting with bad friends. That's why I think it is the one of the reasons for murder. Third reason is restricted outing. Her parents restricted his outing from his house. She cannot go outside for anything when her parents knows that he is addicted and he is involved with these bad communities. Fourth reason is a lack of family companies. From research, I know that Mahfuzur Rahman and his wife both are a government employer, so they always go outside for their jobs. That's why Oishi always stay alone at home. That's why she cannot take any companies from her family and in her child time or his good or her good time. Fifth reason for this murder is denied money request for Dubai dance. Here we know that Oishi wants some money for going to Dubai for dancing. She is very interested for dance, and her boyfriend also provoked him to encourage him for dancing. So that's why I think it's one of the reasons for attempt murder her parents because of they denied the money request of her daughter. I found another reason for this murder, that is addicted friend circle. We all know that addicted friend circle is very harmful for us. That friend circle never give us a good time and good future for us. So I think this addicted friend circle also impact on Oishi's life and very much impacted for her attempting murder of her parents. That's all about my from my reasoning part. Now I discuss about the situation of this case in currently. Uh, at the first, court decided the death sentences for Oishi, but in review time, court will decide this lifetime imprisonment for Oishi, and another accused is Ronnie, who is sentenced for 2 years imprisonment and 5,000 taka fine, and another accused is Johnny, who got bail, and another accused Shumi, who is under criminal procedure. Now I reach at my ending part, which I end by discussing what criminology says, what the discussion about this murder by criminological aspect. From that side, it goes to the level of murder, which is first degree murder. So we want to know that what is first degree murder. First degree murder occurs when a person kills another after premeditations and deliberations. Premeditation means the beforehand and suggests that it was motivated by then more a simple desire to encourage in deliberation. The killing considered was act of violence. The killing was in an means planned after careful thought rather than carried out, constitute or the deliberate and premeditated killing. The slayer must weigh and consider the questions of killing and the reason for and against such as choice. Having in mind the consequence, he decide and does kill. So from this first degree murder, we can connect this situation that Oishi planned to kill her parents for she think that they destroyed her independence, and then she planned to killing his parents as well. So it's a planned murder which is goes to first degree murder, which is the level of criminology aspect. And my final discussion about the murderer's relation in the aspect of criminology. So in criminology, it goes to the personal relations. because personal relation, because Oishi is the daughter of the victims, Police Inspector Mahfuzur Rahman and Shapna Rahman. So I think that this is the personal relation, and Oishi was frustrated by taking drugs, and their parents also some liable for it, because they can't give their best company to her daughter, to their daughters also. So this is the uh, criminological aspects for this case. Now from my side, I want to give you a message from researching my case, that give your proper time to your children, for a better future of your children, because if you are not able to give your time to your children, that way your children must goes to in bad companies with their friends, and hopefully they addicted on drugs or any other criminal activities. So give your children proper time to protect your children, and teach them sociological gesture and your family gesture. Thank you for my side, and that's all from my presentation. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.